Mr. Extreme was out and he's not going to be able to face Jigsaw, but this is his replacement? It is Nemesis Prime! Oh no. Oh my god. Oh wait a minute, don't tell me. Wait, he was in Project Doomsday. That means that... Wait, not Project Doomsday, the Doomsday Brigade. That means that Ascadelia is behind this. Nemesis Prime is back. Oh, this is not good for the rest of the members of the tournament. Definitely not good for Jigsaw. Nemesis Prime has returned. We haven't seen him since he attacked Inuyasha that one time. But now we know what the we was that Nemesis Prime was talking about that one time that we saw him before. At HWL after he attacked Inuyasha at Dre's match. The following contest scheduled for one fall is the King of Extreme. Round 1 match. Introducing first in the ring from planet Cybertron, weighing over 1 ton, Nemesis Prime. And approaching the ring from parts unknown, weighing at an unknown weight, Jigsaw. Nobody knows how much Jigsaw weighs, or he doesn't know how much he weighs. He refuses to weigh in at the weigh-in thing that we have. Jigsaw's been having so close moments. Like, he was so close to winning the match of randomness. He was so close to winning the Zero Gravity title. He was so close to beating Justin Alex for the world title, or a number one contendership for the world title. He's been so close at all these moments, but has failed at every single one of them. Will he be able to defeat Nemesis Prime and make his mark in the King of Extreme tournament? Easier said than done. And here we go. Ah, Big Boot takes him down. Nemesis Prime has the ability to adjust his size. I guess he got down to Jigsaw's size. He's still just as powerful. Oh, look out. Look out. Oh my god, just slammed him right down. Same old Nemesis Prime. Anyway, this isn't harming Nemesis. Look at these body shots by Jigsaw, and they're still not harming Nemesis Prime. Wait a minute, Jigsaw countered that and goes into like a German suplex, and flies off for a Hurricanrana. Cover, 1, 2, and no. Kicked out. Wait, now, Jigsaw punches, takes down Nemesis Prime for a tornado DDT. And there's a drop kick. Never mind. Another hip toss on Nemesis Prime. I believe Nemesis Prime is just toying with Jigsaw now. The games are over though. Oh no, look out, look out! Oh my god, he just got squashed! Jigsaw Superstar just got squashed there. My Nemesis Prime. Oh no. What's this? Oh, and these metal knees right in the face. Oh, look out. Oh, big boot takes him off. And he just shoved him aside.